here cleaning my snow out. See how bad we got here today. Get all my bread. It's too cold. I have to take the car out. Right. See how it is. That's how bad it is. About 8 inches of snow. See how bad it is. I have to get this one out. The short one is better. There's something we got through. Every day in the morning you can hear the sound. That's like an alarm for you, waking up when you hear that. As people cleaning snow outside. Every morning they get to work, gotta go through this. Yep. That's the life. That's the life. Oh boy. I have to move this car out of here so it gives a room so they can clean that out. Oh boy. I'll move this one, put it here so the tractor can come and clean this one out. My hand's freezing, huh? Oh, where's my glove? Oh boy. Oh boy. See the tractor way down there. I hope the car can get through here. I have to move it to give me room. Put this one. Put this thing back here. Move this one first. Alright. Hands crossed. Look how deep it is. Oh goodness. Let's move this one out. If I can get through, I'll be okay. Hear that? One out. Get this one out. But far away down there. Hands freezing. Hands freezing up. Alright. Need to go move the other car. Ah, goodness. Get ticky. So I'll move that one on this side, so when the tractor come and clean this one out, because the car was sitting right in it. So I'll get this one out. Look at that. Look at it.
Overlooking the Papa John Sculpture Park for up to 100 guests with a full bar,
Yeah.
and more at.
Let me get this one out. Whew. Move this one out too. My nose is running. Don't mind about that one. That's how cold it is. Alright, let's move it, go. This one's the 4-wheel, so easy to get it off from this deep snow. Oh boy. Oh shit. There we go. That thing's supposed to get away, but it's still making that noise. So I'll move this one here. Now they get a room. They can come and clean that one out. Alright, let's set this one off. Set the car off. Oh yeah. Lock it up. Shit. No, it's okay. Have to go warm up inside. That one's move. Make sure I lock it before I go inside. Good boy. It's locked. Oh yeah, look at that. It looks so bright, huh? It looks so bright. I'm gonna warm up. My finger's frozen. Finger's so cold. To get in back. To get in back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that, how clean it is. Oh, the sun is coming out and it feels a little bit, but hope it's not coming more. Yeah. Alright. Okay, let me go back inside. I'm gonna finish this one here. Just wanna see how it goes. I hope you get enough. Show you how to clean this now. Let me go inside, drink some hot things and cool down. I mean warm up.